FGV is committed to driving sustainability agenda in the palm oil industry by integrating responsible practices in our entire value chain. At FGV, we have adopted and implemented strict NDPE policies, expanded MSPO and RSPO certification for all our mills and our estates. And also, specifically, we have strengthened our traceability platform to ensure responsible sourcing from plantations to customers.
FGVTOP is an online traceability platform used to trace back the sustainability of FGV palm oil product supply chain back to mill and plantation, which includes the ones operated by independent smallholders.
Buyers or any organizations around the world will be able to monitor the traceability status of FGV supply chain in real time, from mills to sourcing origins, strengthening transparency and sustainability across our palm oil supply chain.
Features in FGVTOP includes one, master data management. Master data management will centralize all the database to store the detail of profiles of suppliers, buyers, contact information and certification status. Number two, the polygon map management. The polygon map management shows the overview and tracking of compliance status and also plot historical data. Number three, regulatory compliance, which is automatically generate a due diligence report for every consignment as compliant proof. Number four, the product tracking dashboard, which is we create dashboard to display key traceability metrics such as palm oil origin, processing stages, and sustainability credential. And the last one is system integration, which is we integrating data from multiple available systems already in the FGV ecosystem. For example, data from Weybridge system, EGIS, POMIS, IPMS, IRMS in refineries, IKMS in kernel plant, ILDS in logistic, pit bus in bulking, among others. We started the groundwork for the platform in 2016, centralizing product and transaction information with support from all FGV upstreams, subsidiaries and group sustainability. Since FGV Prodata System is the key provider of IT for FGV, we have the digital footprint of the system across FGV supply chain ecosystem to make it possible. In 2021, we finally have the platform gone live and ready with sustainability credential and sustainability policy transparency toolkit standard integrated. And the ultimate golden tickets is the EUDR compliance together with MSPO and RSPO, which we acquire in 2024.
As a point of record, as October 2025, FGVTOP has traced 13 million metric tons to the European Union, in line with EUDR recognition standards.
It is about market access. So market access needs us to comply to all these international standards, whether it is NDPE, whether it is EUDR, or even MSPO 2.0. So all these compliances basically is to make sure that we have that market access. But FGVTOP is the first in Malaysia that integrating the system within FGV, and at the same time we are tapping into MPOB system. I think we should be proud. We should be proud.
The government of Malaysia is developing a nationwide traceability system called Sistem Kabolet Jejakan Nasional, or SKN, which includes SIMS for traceability, GeoSawit for palm oil plantation mapping, and EMSPO for compliance. And FGV, through the success of FGVTOP, have been identified to help and support its development.
This recognition by the government is a great achievement for us. and would truly make FGVTOP the most preferred online platform for palm oil traceability.
I believe that FGVTOP will be one of the best platforms in the world for EUDR traceability.
I'm very proud because to be able to launch FGVTOP today is definitely creating market confidence to our products, to our company, to brand FGV as an innovative and solution-based company to the global market.
However, it does not end there. FGVTOP has many more enhancements up its sleeve. Soon, FGVTOP will implement blockchain technology into its architecture for better security and tamper-proof data, and AI technology for data analytics, predictive insights, and forecasting, which would truly make FGVTOP the most preferred online platform for palm oil traceability. FGVTOP, tracing sustainability across every step.